We have at the top an administration menu that's only visible to administrators. We have a user menu, which has the login, my account, and logout links. We have our primary navigation, our main menu, and also a main navigation menu. Each of these menus have items that you can rearrange, enable, disable, and you can add new items to them. To play with Drupal's menus, go ahead and click Structure and Menus. When you come to this page, you see the buckets of links. I mentioned the development menu, the one at the top. We have our main menu with our home link and our press releases. There's also a management menu. The navigation menu is currently showing in the left column, and the user menu is showing in the top right. Let's go ahead and list the links for our main menu. Right now, we only have 2, but these can be rearranged. We can go ahead and drag them around if we want to. You will note that as soon as you make a change on this screen, you need to click Save Configuration. Another thing that we can do if we are trying to get some fine-grained numbers for how we're arranging these, each of the drag and drop options, when you click Show Weights, will actually go ahead and show you what the number that corresponds to that is. So if I wanted a menu to be the very, very last one, I can go ahead and change this number to something really, really high, like positive 50. That will ensure it's the very, very last number. Drupal uses weights for a lot of things. The smaller the number, the negative numbers float to the top or the left, and the heavier numbers, the bigger the numbers, sink to the bottom or to the right, depending on how that things are listed. With these menus too, we can go ahead and edit each link item. The menu link title, that's what's displayed to the user. It is important, if you have the opportunity, to fill out description text for any of your links. So for this one, I'm going to write Learn About Us. And when I hover over the link, we'll see that help text pop up. You can have a menu item in your menu, but choose not to display it for whatever reason by disabling it. So that is an option. Also, show as expanded. That's a checkbox that works with your theme. If you have nested items, you can actually show all of the sub items below. And I'll show you what I mean by nested items. And again, for each link, you can specify which menu that you want it to be in, and if you want something nested. And then here we've got this weight as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save on this. So I'm going to click back my hide row weights. We have our drag and drop. I'm going to rearrange this so that home is the first item. If I wanted to, I could nest press releases underneath home. Now, our current theme does not support displaying these items as a drop-down, but there are other contributed modules and elements in a theme that can do that for you. So I'm going to bring that one back out, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So if I close this, and now when I hover over press releases, our help text, Learn About Us, is displayed. So that's how you play with menus.